Heavy continuous rain caused massive flooding in the Chinese mountains, overwhelming the rural towns.
Help us! Don't leave!
Wait, please come back!
Okay, ma'am, grab my hand. Watch your step. Watch your step right here. Easy now, you got him.
We've got you. You're safe now.
Oh, thank God. Thank you so much.
The scale of the disaster is unprecedented. What was once fertile land is now a vast.
Oh, thank God. Thank you so much. Help us! Somebody please help us! We're on the roof! Get us out of here!
Grab the rope. Pull him in.
I have the child! My baby, thank you!
We have to keep moving. The current is getting stronger.
Look out, the roof just gave way. Move, move.
Move!
Is anyone in there? Oh, call out if you can hear us. We are here to help.
Heavy continuous rain caused massive flooding in the Chinese mountains, overwhelming the rural towns.
Over here, help us! Don't leave!
Wait, please come back!
Okay, ma'am, grab my hand. Watch your step. Watch your step right here.
Grab the rope now.
We're here. You're safe now.
I was so worried.
It's gonna be okay. We're safe in here.
We need a head count. How many can move now?
Secure that rope now. We are drifting.
I have it. The people on the roof are signaling.